Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Beaver UT. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool and a pet-friendly. Located off Interstate 15, this motel is a 3-minute drive from downtown Beaver and Canyon Breeze Golf Course. It features an indoor pool and spacious rooms with a cable TV. Laundry facilities and free on-site parking are also available. Air conditioning and a phone with free local calls are standard in every simply furnished room at the Beaver Motel 6. All rooms include a private bathroom. Beaver Court House Museum is 1.7 miles from the motel. Beaver Municipal Airport is a 10-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.